Breathing should be simple, yet with pulmonary fibrosis, even the smallest breath can feel heavy. It's not just the shortness of breath, it's the constant fatigue, the nagging cough, and the worry of how much harder it may get tomorrow. For many, these daily struggles create a weight that goes far beyond the lungs. But today, we want to share a solution that can help turn those daily challenges into manageable moments. A program designed to give you the opportunity to feel better, get better, and live better. Pulmonary fibrosis is a chronic lung disease that makes it difficult to breathe. It includes conditions such as IPF and interstitial lung disease. In IPF, the lung tissue becomes scarred and stiff. This scarring reduces the ability of the lungs to expand and take in oxygen. It can feel like trying to breathe with your chest bound tightly. IPF is progressive, meaning it worsens over time. It can be caused by environmental exposures, autoimmune conditions, certain medications, or may develop without a known cause. The symptoms are debilitating, persistent dry cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, and loss of independence in daily activities. Current treatments aim to slow progression or ease symptoms, but they don't address the underlying scarring process. For many, this means the disease continues to advance, leaving patients searching for alternatives. But there is another approach, traditional Chinese medicine. Used for centuries and supported today by modern research, it offers a way to support the body from within. The Wei Institute Lung Program combines traditional Chinese medicine, along with modern research, to address the root challenges of IPF symptoms, reducing oxygen dependency and improving quality of life. Pulmonary fibrosis progresses because scar tissue builds up in the lungs. This scar tissue makes the lungs stiff and prevents oxygen from moving freely into the bloodstream. It also makes it harder for the lungs to use the nutrients they need, limiting their ability to heal themselves. Over time, this cycle of scarring, poor oxygen transfer, and impaired healing leaves the lungs weaker and less able to recover, allowing the disease to continue progressing. That's where Soup B comes in. Pulmonary fibrosis creates layers of tough scar tissue that make breathing harder and limit the body's natural repair. Soup B supports the body's natural ability to break down this fibrotic tissue. By clearing away these obstructions, the lungs can expand more freely, and oxygen can move more easily into the blood. This breakdown of scar tissue doesn't just bring relief on its own, it also helps the other formulas to work more effectively, allowing more nutrients to reach the lungs, helping reduce symptoms and supporting long-term improvement. Shortness of breath is one of the most difficult symptoms of pulmonary fibrosis. It happens because the tiny air sacs in the lungs, called alveoli, become scarred and stiff. When this happens, oxygen has a harder time passing into the bloodstream, leaving you breathless and tired. Scar tissue also makes it harder for the lungs to use the nutrients they need, which limits their ability to heal themselves. Soup A is designed to nourish these delicate air sacs and support the body's natural repair processes. By giving strength back to the alveoli, Soup A helps improve oxygen exchange. This means your lungs can work more efficiently, helping you feel less winded and more capable in everyday life. Another symptom that takes a toll on daily life is coughing. In pulmonary fibrosis, scar tissue and inflammation narrow the airways, making them irritated and overly sensitive. This leads to a dry, persistent cough that can feel endless and frustrating. LC Balancer helps by calming this inflammation. It supports the body's natural anti-inflammatory response, easing irritation and soothing the airways. With less airway sensitivity, coughing episodes become less frequent and less severe, bringing real comfort and relief to daily life. Together, Soup A, Soup B, and the LC Balancer work synergistically. They support the body in addressing the root causes of pulmonary fibrosis while improving stamina, sleep, and overall quality of life. This combined approach helps improve lung function and brings relief where it's needed most. Within the first 2 weeks of taking these formulas, you will experience more energy. After 1 month, you will notice less shortness of breath while doing activities. Embrace the benefits others have discovered with the Wei Institute program. Be able to feel better, get better, and live better. Call 888-934-5227 or visit weiinstitute.org to schedule a free consultation today. Statements in this video have not been evaluated by the FDA. Ingredients mentioned in this video are not meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. Individual results may vary. Medicine and respiratory therapy are continuously evolving practices. The information in this video is educational and not medical advice. For medical advice, please consult with a licensed physician or qualified medical professional.